Hello everyone, my name is Bruce Lucas. I actually love my career choices and I love what I do right now. And I want to take a second to appreciate those that believed in me when I started. And my appreciation will go to FrankDNero. Yes, the FrankDNero, the music artist and producer. Yeah, FrankDNero in 2000 was one of the people that really encouraged me in the path. He gave me his laptop and I broke the laptop screen. But after breaking the laptop screen, something different happened. He started paying for airtime in cyber cafes to cyber cafes to use their computer systems. He believed in me and he encouraged me to do more. So I used that laptop for different designs, to learn programming, to teach other people, to do a lot of things. And the fact that he believed in me was a very big leap for me in my career, in my early days in learning computing. We can all make this world a better place because we have people like FrankDNero. Thank you very much for believing in me. And I'll have more videos like this telling everyone, those that believed in me. And I think you too can take a second to appreciate people that believed in you when you're starting off in your career. Thank you very much and thank you, FrankDNero.